So, hi everyone, welcome to TP Chennai. Today we will see some of the speed maths questions which they have asked in SBI PO 2020 prelims level examination. Because already you know that SBI Clerical 2021 notification has come, and out of 35 questions which they will ask in your prelims level examination, 20 questions will be from your speed maths area, where you will be having questions from simplification, approximation, or you will be having questions from number series, wrong number series, as well as quadratic equation. So I will just try to cover some of the questions which they have asked last year in SBI PO 2020 prelims level examination. So these questions will be of quadratic equation. So we will see one by one. First one, 6x square plus 13x plus 6 is equal to 0. 15y square plus 13y plus 2 is equal to 0. So first of all, what is the meaning of quadratic equation? Anything which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is said to be quadratic equation if and only if a value is greater than 0. So you have two equations, one will be in terms of x, second will be in terms of y. So ultimately what you have to do, you need to solve these two equations and then you have to compare both the equation, that means both the values of x and y, and then you have to choose your option. So there are many ways. One way is formula method, which you have seen in your school level examination. But when it comes to competitive examination, time constraints are there. You need to solve those questions quickly. So I am solving these questions here. So for example, 6x square plus 13x plus 6 is equal to 0. First I am taking x expression. First multiply coefficient of x square with constant value. So 6 into 6 is nothing but how much? 36, and in the middle you have to write coefficient of x, which is plus 13. Now you need to find out two numbers. When you multiply those two numbers, you should get plus 36. And when you add, you should get plus 13. So numbers are 9 and 4. Because 9 into 4 is 36 and 9 plus 4 is 13. Then change the sign. So minus 9, minus 4. Divide both the sides by the coefficient of x square, which is 6. Here also 6. 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. This is minus 1.5 and this is minus 0.6. So my answer for x is minus 1.5 comma minus 0.6. Come to y. So plus 15 into 2 is 30 and this is plus 13. Again find out the two numbers. So it is 10 and 3. So plus 10 plus 3. Change the sign, minus 10 minus 3. Divide by coefficient of x y square 15, and here also 15. 5 2s are, 5 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 5s are. This is you are having minus 0.6 and this you are having minus 0.2. Now you need to compare. When you compare minus 1.5 with minus 0.6, minus 0.6 is greater. That means x is less. Again when you compare minus 1.5 minus 0.2, again x is less. Minus 0.6 minus 0.6 both are equal. Minus 0.6 minus 0.2, again x is less. So what is my answer? X is less or equal to y. Second one, x square minus 15x plus 56 is equal to 0. Y square minus 17y plus 72 is equal to 0. Again I am writing here. This is plus 56 and this is minus 15. So what can be the two number? Minus 8 and minus 7, or else minus 7 minus 8, right? So final answer is 8 and 7. For y, this is plus 72 and this is minus 17. So it is nothing but minus 9 minus 8 or minus 8 minus 9. Final answer is 9 and 8. Again you have to compare 8 and 9, 8 is less. 8 and 8 equal. 7 and 9, 7 is less. 7 and 8, 7 is less. So what is again my answer? X less or equal to y. So I hope you are clear with the first two questions. Now we will see third one and fourth one. So third one, x square minus 14x plus 13 is equal to 0. So plus 13, and here you are having minus 14, right? So what can be the two number? You will say minus 13 and minus 1, because minus 13 minus 1 is nothing but minus 14, and minus 13 into minus 1 is nothing but 13. So final answer is nothing but 13 and 1. And here for y, this is nothing but plus 11 and this is nothing but minus 12. Again what can be the two number? It is nothing but minus 11 minus 1, right? So final answer is 11 comma 1. Then we have to compare 13 and 11. X is less. 13 and 1. X is greater, right? I mean when you compare 13 and 11, x is greater. When you compare 13 and 1, again x is greater. But when you compare 1 and 11, y is greater. So here itself we have to stop the process, and directly our answer is nothing but C and D, because at one point of time x is greater, at one point of time y is greater. Next one, 4x square plus 13x plus 9 is equal to 0. 4y square plus 20y plus equal to 0. So I am taking here 9 into 4 is 36 and this is 13. What can be the two number? Again 9 and 4. Because 9 4 is 36, 9 plus 4 is 13. So minus 9 minus 4 divide by 4 divide by 4. This is nothing but how much? 2.25 and then you are having minus 1. For y expression again 25 into 4 is nothing but 100 and this is plus 20. What can be the two number? 10 and 10. Change the sign. Minus 10 minus 10. Divide by 4 divide by 4. This is minus 2.5 and this is minus 2.5. When you compare minus 2.5 minus 2.5, x is greater. Minus 2.5 minus 2.5, again x is greater. Minus 1 and minus 2.5, again you are having x greater, and then minus 1 minus 2.5. So in all the cases x is greater, so my answer is nothing but x greater than y. So I hope you are clear with quality questions. Now we will see some of the approximation questions which they have asked in SBI PO 2020 prelims level examination. So you know very well approximation is nothing but you need to calculate approximate value, not exact value, just like simplification. So depends upon the option also, you have to choose your option, right? So when you see here 244.03 minus 654.02 plus question mark divided by 2.01 is equal to 835.01. So 244.03 is nothing but 244 minus 654.02 is 654 plus question mark is x by 2 is equal to 835, because 835.01 is nothing but 835. 244 minus 654 is nothing but minus 410 plus x by 2 is equal to 835. Cross multiplication, minus 820 plus x is equal to, this is 0, 7, 1670. So x is nothing but 1670 plus 820, which is nothing but 2490. So my answer is nothing but first option. Second one, 224.99 divided by 3.01 plus 25.01% of question mark is equal to 520.01. So this is nothing but 225 by 3 plus 25% is 1 by 4 into x is equal to 520. 520.01 is 520. 3 7s are 3 5s are. So x by 4 is equal to 520 minus 75 is nothing but 445. 445. So x is nothing but 445 into 4. 281780. So my answer is nothing but third option 1780. So I hope you are clear with first two questions. Now we will see third one. Whole 16.01 whole square plus cube root of 342.98 plus 1 whole divided by 6.01. So 16.01 is 16, 16 square is 256 plus cube root of 342.98. 342.98 is nothing but 343. Cube root of 343 is 7 plus 1 divided by 6.01 is 6 only. So this is nothing but 256 plus 7 is 263 plus 1 is 264 by 6. 6 4s are 6 4s are. So my answer is nothing but 44. Next one, 3.07 whole divided by 4.01 whole square into 127.96 plus 442.02 is equal to question mark. This is nothing but 3 square which is 9, 4 square is 16 into 128 plus 442. 16 8s are 128. 72 plus 442 is nothing but 514. 514 is the answer. Last one, 326.99 divided by 2.98 plus 44.97 into 3.01 divided by 5.02 is equal to question mark. This is 327. Divided is nothing but reverse that number and use multiplication into 1 by 3 plus 45 into 3 divided by 5. 3 10s are, 3 9s are, 5 9s are. So 109 plus 27, what is my answer? 136. My answer is nothing but first option, which is nothing but 136. So I hope you are clear with Speed Max. We have seen some of the questions of quality equation, and also we have seen some of the questions of approximation. So when it comes to SBI clerical prelims level examination, you will be having 35 questions. Out of 35 questions, 20 questions will be from Speed Max only. So Speed Max is fully based upon speed and your calculative skills. So calculation is very important, and that too you have to solve those questions very quickly, because along with that you will be having questions from arithmetic and DI. So in my next videos I will just tell what type of questions or how you need to prepare for your SBI Clerical 2021 Prelims Level Examination. Thank you.